Welcome back to another exciting episode of the House of Chop. Today, I got a quick one for you that should be fun. It involves this, everybody's favorite tool, the Baileigh magnetic brake, and my Rogue Echo bike. Check this out. My phone holder here does a really good job at holding phones vertically, but what I would like it to do is hold phones vertically and horizontally. And the simple reason why, so I can watch YouTube videos, of course. I'm thinking little visual stimuli would help take my mind off the fact my legs are burning. And in the interest of saving you time, I brought the phone holder here back out to the shop, made this crude drawing where I got all my measurements together, and this is all I'll need to make a template in the official CAD and the HOC, good old cardboard. Let's begin. Well, that was epic. Next, I'm going to pull the brake out and we'll figure out the bend order. Woo! Man, that sucker's meaty. Having a cardboard template like this is awesome because it allows you to figure out the bend order because it bends and unbends, unlike metal. So it's a great way to run it out and figure out what the order is going to be. I've been messing around with this a little bit and I settled in on a bend order. What we're going to do is bring these two up first. Then we're going to slide this off the side, and this kind of showcases the strength of the mag brake because we'll be able to lock this down right here and bring the side tabs up. We'll just walk it over to the other side and get this one. And then finally, we'll bring up the two end pieces and we'll be set. Yes, victory in the bend sequence. You know, that may have seemed like a little bit of a weird thing to do, but occasionally you'll come up with a design that meets your needs, but it can't be bent out on the brake over there. But now that we got it confirmed, we get to do the fun part. Bring it to aluminum. You gotta love the Portaband. It made short work of this, and now we're up to the part where I always screw up. Usually, I get this all bent and wish I'd put some texture on it. I'm gonna go grab the DA sander. You gotta soften those edges. You wouldn't want someone getting hurt on your phone holder. Now the fun part. Gonna go play with some magnets. While I'm taking a long walk over to the brake, I know there's at least two of you knuckleheads sitting there going, but how you gonna know where to bend it? You sanded off all the blowing. Look at that. You can still see the score marks there, genius. That's how. The metal's on the brake, and this is how this works. I like to get the part we're gonna bend over lined up to the line, and then I bring all that to the edge of where the crease actually occurs. Then we hit the magnet, and we make our bend. And that's that. Let's go for the second one. Look at it, the original plastic chintzy, only holding phones in one direction phone holder. Get out of here with that. Here we have our replacement. Made out of aluminum, holding phones both horizontally and vertically. Oh, exercise has never been so much fun. Now, this video is not just about bending up phone holders. It's about taking these skills and making almost anything you want. So what do you do if you don't have a mag brake, or any brake for that matter? Well, bet you got a couple clamps, a hammer, and a piece of angle iron. Check this out. So I marked out a few pieces of scrap that came off our original sheet. I've set up this contraption here, so let's get the camera in close. I'll show you guys how this is done. That's it. That's actually all that's required to make crisp, clean bends. I actually bent up my whole welding cart here using the same method, and it served this project just fine. So no excuses. Go make something. And on that note, that's a wrap for this one. So from Lee, Oksana, myself, and of course the flying wing wonder, Tiglet, y'all keep being good to each other out there. Smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you on the next build. Gotta love the Portaband. Made sure. Oh, right into the camera. You gotta love the Portaband. You gotta love. Next, I'm gonna get this. The compressor's in exhale mode. You gotta love the Portaband. You gotta love the Port. Gotta love the. Let's take it over to metal.
Give me the DA sander.
You just gotta love the Portaband. Ooh, don't bite me, Portaband. All good YouTubers know you need bokeh. That shiny metal that don't rust. You gotta love the Portaband.
That's beautiful, Chop.